Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen convenience with our guide to the best air fryers of 2024. In a world where time is precious and flavor is paramount, the air fryer has become a culinary game changer. Just like you, we understand the importance of finding the perfect balance between efficiency and quality in the kitchen. That's why we've spent countless hours researching, testing, and refining our selection to bring you the comprehensive guide to air fryers yet. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your cooking experience and discover the ultimate air fryer for your kitchen, you're in the right place. Number 6. Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze, a compact yet powerful air fryer designed to simplify your cooking experience. With its innovative dual heating elements and advanced sensors, this air fryer ensures even cooking without the hassle of preheating or shaking food mid-cook. Setting up the Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze is a breeze, and its intuitive controls make operation a breeze. The 12 preset cooking functions cover a variety of dishes, from chicken to veggies to fries, delivering consistently excellent results without the need for manual adjustments. However, families with larger cooking needs may find its 8.8 quart capacity somewhat limiting. While the air fryer offers app control and compatibility with voice assistants like Alexa, these features may not be essential for everyday cooking. Additionally, its performance, ease of cleaning, and accurate presets make it a standout choice in the air fryer market. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, the Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze is sure to impress with its versatility and efficiency. If you're in search of a reliable air fryer that delivers on both performance and value, the Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill. An electric grill designed for outdoor cooking with versatile functions like grilling, smoking, baking, and air frying. It offers the convenience of cooking outdoors without the hassle of charcoal or gas. With its self-igniting Woodfire smoke box using wood pellets, it delivers rich, smoky flavors, perfect for balconies and terraces where traditional fire cooking isn't feasible. This grill boasts intuitive controls and multiple cooking functions, making it easy to create a variety of dishes with minimal effort. Despite its compact size, it heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, from juicy steaks to flavorful smoked salmon. While it may not be suitable for larger gatherings and its accessories aren't dishwasher safe, the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill is a great option for those who want convenient outdoor cooking without sacrificing flavor. So if you're craving the taste of outdoor grilling in a limited space, this grill is worth considering. Number 4. Instant Vortex Slim 6-Quart Air Fryer. Designed for smaller households or those seeking premium performance in a smaller package, this air fryer delivers exceptional results without taking up too much space on your countertop. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on performance, making it a versatile and convenient cooking appliance. With its sleek and modern design, the Instant Vortex Slim fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Its intuitive touch controls and digital display make it easy to adjust settings and monitor your cooking progress. Plus, it's the quietest air fryer from Instant Pot, ensuring a peaceful cooking experience. In terms of performance, the Instant Vortex Slim doesn't disappoint. It offers a generous 6-quart capacity, providing enough space to cook 2 to 3 portions of your favorite dishes. Whether you're air frying, baking, grilling, reheating, or roasting, this air fryer delivers perfectly cooked meals every time. While it may lack some premium features like the ClearCook window and OdourErase function found in larger models, its reliability and convenience more than make up for it. Overall, the Instant Vortex Slim offers exceptional value for its price, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game without sacrificing space or performance. Number 3. Dreo ChefMaker. A culinary game changer that goes beyond your average air fryer. With its innovative chef mode, probe mode, and 7 additional cooking functions, this appliance is a versatile powerhouse in the kitchen. From perfectly seared steaks to crispy fries, it delivers exceptional results every time. What sets the ChefMaker apart is its ability to elevate your cooking experience. The chef mode, supported by a user-friendly app filled with chef-curated recipes, ensures that even novice cooks can create gourmet meals with ease. Plus, its probe mode ensures precise cooking, giving you confidence in achieving restaurant-quality results at home. Not only does the ChefMaker excel in performance, but it also boasts a sleek and elegant design. Its responsive touch controls and compact footprint make it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. Despite the premium cost, the ChefMaker's exceptional performance and versatility make it worth every penny for serious home cooks. Whether you're seeking convenience, top-notch results, or culinary inspiration, the Dreo ChefMaker delivers on all fronts, making it a must-have appliance for your kitchen. Number 2. Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501, your sleek solution to crispy delights. With its 5-quart capacity and 7 presets, this compact kitchen marvel is perfect for whipping up crispy fries and succulent chicken wings with ease. However, while it delivers on taste, achieving that perfect golden brown may require a bit of experimentation, especially with frozen foods. But don't let that deter you. Despite its minor quirks, the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer is a stylish addition to any kitchen, adding both flair and functionality to your countertop. And with its quiet operation and dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is a breeze, leaving you more time to enjoy your delicious creations. So, should you make the leap and add the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer to your kitchen arsenal? If you crave convenience, style, and healthier cooking options, then absolutely. It's a worthy investment in your culinary adventures, offering crisp results and versatility in a sleek package. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with ClearCook and OdourErase. This sleek kitchen marvel offers 6 cooking functions, from air frying to baking, all with a fraction of the oil used in traditional methods. Say goodbye to soggy snacks and hello to perfectly golden fries and wings. What sets this air fryer apart? Its built-in window and light allow you to keep an eye on your food without interrupting the cooking process. No more guesswork, just crispy perfection every time. And let's not forget about the OdourErase technology, which reduces cooking smells, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh. But what about the price? While it may be a bit higher than other options on the market, trust me, it's worth the investment. Plus, think of all the money you'll save on oil in the long run. Sure, there might be a bit of a learning curve, especially with frozen foods, but isn't that part of the fun of cooking? So, should you make the leap and add the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer to your kitchen arsenal? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be informed about more content, and do not miss our future videos. See you later.